Welcome to A Seat at the Table with Saya. We're here to talk about all things Young Lawyers Division of the Florida Bar. We're here on set at the Omni Fort Lauderdale, home of the upcoming and first of its kind Job and Resource Fair. Join us. I'm excited to welcome Arti Hirani. She is a phenomenal lawyer, and she's the president of the Young Lawyers Division of the Florida Bar, where she represents the over 26,000 young lawyers in our state. And so today we're going to talk about all things YLD, as they're called, and learn a little bit about the initiatives they have for this year, what they've been working on, and the important work that they're doing to help our young lawyers. So welcome, Arti, to A Seat at the Table. I'm excited to have you today. Let's just start with what is the YLD? What does the Young Lawyers Division of the Florida Bar do?
Absolutely. I want to start by saying thank you. You have been an amazing president to lead this organization with. You really mean it when you say that there is a seat at the table for everyone, and it really makes a difference for young lawyers to know that we are heard, seen, and helped along the way. So we greatly appreciate that.
Absolutely.
So the Young Lawyers Division, the Florida Bar YLD, if you are aged 36 years or younger, or you have been in practice 5 years or less. But the YLD essentially provides you a community, the CLE, and the tools to make sure you know what you're doing to stay out of the discipline system and to make sure you're compliant with the Florida law and to make sure we're providing good, meaningful work to our clients and our law firms.
Let's talk about that community piece a little bit. Describe what the community is like in the Young Lawyers Division. If I'm a young lawyer and I don't really go to any events and I sort of just keep my nose to the grind, what's the point of me coming to a Young Lawyers event?
So our legal profession is one of absolute apprenticeship. It's very hard to learn by yourself. We actually have monthly free lunch and learns called Transition to Practice. Today we actually did it on trust estates and wills. We also have a series called the Know Your Rights series. So we did one on expungement, the gift you give yourself, the difference between sealing and expungement, and what that term actually means. Beyond the monthly seminars, we also have something called the Affiliate Outreach Conference, which you so lovingly made an appearance at, and we were so grateful for because we know how busy your schedule is.
Sure, it was great though.
It's one thing to get your JD, it's another to pass the bar, and then what do you do afterwards, right? And so we're making sure that we have the tools and resources to gain meaningful employment, to keep meaningful employment, and to make sure we're providing good, meaningful work to the public at large.
So talk to us about this Open for Opportunity initiative. What is the job fair designed to do for young lawyers?
So most people who are young lawyers don't know that there's something else besides the PD and state attorney's office,
right,
and how to manage between civil and transactional law if they can switch.
So the job fair is not just how to get a job, but also how to keep a job. When is the job fair?
We have a reception March 5th, and then the job fair is March 6th at the Omni and at the Broward Convention Center.
So right here in Fort Lauderdale, where we are today.
Absolutely.
I understand it's a brand new resort. Great opportunity to come down to Fort Lauderdale and take advantage of all the Open for Opportunity initiative has to offer. What is the Young Lawyers Division doing to help us sort of navigate just life in being a young lawyer? Tackling student loan debt and how you maintain your position in the law firm when you're starting a family. Just all of the things that our young lawyers are faced with pretty much like all at the same time, right? And that can be a lot on a young lawyer's plate.
First of all, we have CLEs on all of those. So I'm glad you put those all up. So if you go to our website, they're still free for you to use. And we also provide a community because sometimes it's a mentor. It's a person to listen to you when you've gone through a bad day. Everyone really helps and tries to promote each other.
What do you think is on the horizon for the Young Lawyers Division? I mean, we have AI and all of these things sort of coming at us. Where do you see the Young Lawyers Division heading going forward?
Speaking of AI, we actually have a 4-hour workshop coming up. AI has a lot of guidelines. We want to make sure that the lawyers know what to do and they don't get in trouble with the bar.
Part of what we do is we do this jointly with the Young Lawyers Division. So we have 52 governors on the Florida Bar Board of Governors, and you all have 56 governors on the Young Lawyers Division, all of whom volunteer their time for this. So I think it's really important to recognize that these are not paid roles, And we do it because we care about it, and I know that Arti, you do it because you care about it. I really have enjoyed working with you this year, very proud of our Young Lawyers Division. So I encourage you all to take advantage of all of the opportunities that the Young Lawyers Division brings to you in this legal community. Thank you for joining us for this edition of A Seat at the Table with Saya. It's been my great privilege to spend some time with Arti Hirani, our Young Lawyers Division President. I encourage you all to attend the job fair and to take advantage of all that the young lawyers bring to the table and to get involved. Our primary mission with this is to make sure that our young lawyers are supported, that you have the tools in the toolbox that you need to be successful, and we want you to have long, fulfilling, and meaningful legal careers. We can't wait to see what you all will accomplish.
Hi, young lawyers. The Florida Bar Young Lawyers Division is open for opportunity. Don't forget to register for the Job and Resource Fair.